power of a quadratic equation?
2.
Equals to 0, right? Always. What is the highest power of this quadratic equation?
2.
So quadratic equation, the highest power is 2. If we have any other polynomial which has power 3, which has power 4, we can't solve it by quadratic. I am not talking about equation which is something like x to the power 4 plus x square plus c. No. I am talking about x to the power 4, x cube plus x square plus x plus k, whatever, this form. We don't know how to solve these polynomials, right? These are polynomials. They are all polynomials. Quadratic equation is also a type of a polynomial or not? Okay, so whenever I say, let's take an example and let's try to understand it. Let's say I have an equation x square a square plus 6 plus 6a plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, this is in your form. This we can say this is by looking at it. Can I say this is a plus 3 the whole cube? Whole square, sorry.
Yes.
It's a perfect root or not?
Yes.
That is equal to 0. So can I say a is equal to minus 3 in this equation? In this quadratic equation, can I say this? So if a is equal to minus 3, if this is a polynomial, how do we represent polynomial? F function of x. What do we call it? Function of x. If the polynomial is in terms of a, where a is the variable, we say function of a. Function of a is what? A square plus 6a plus 9. ठीक है? मतलब बेसिकली जो वेरिएबल है उसी का फंक्शन होता है मेरा. It functions of the variable or not? Can the constants bring about any difference in the equation? Constant तो 9 का ही वैल्यू एडिशन कर सकता है. The only thing, and what will the coefficient do? Coefficient will just increase the value 6 times. It cannot do anything else. They are fixed. They are constant. Who is the functional bit of this equation?
Variable.
The variable is the functional bit. Now, in this equation, we have already found out that a is equal to minus 3. Let's understand what does it mean when I say a is equal to minus 3. Let me substitute minus 3 here. Okay. So can I say function of a? A के बदले क्या डाल रहे हैं हम? So function of minus 3 हो गया कि नहीं है? Is equal to minus 3. हर जगह minus 3 हो जाएगा. Plus 6 into minus 3 plus 9. यही हुआ? That is equal to 9.
Minus 18.
Minus 6 3s are 18 plus 9.
Yes.
That is equal to 0.
Yes.
Why is it equal to 0? Because minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial or not?
Yes.
Only because minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial, when I substitute minus 3 here, it becomes 0. So can I say, when a certain number is a factor of a polynomial, when I substitute that value in the equation, the remainder becomes 0?
Yes.
This is only a remainder theorem. This is all we understand by remainder theorem. If a factor is a value, a numerical value, whenever a numerical value is substituted in an equation of which it is a factor, then the remainder of that
0.
polynomial, when we substitute that number as a factor, becomes 0. So anytime when I say x minus 3 is a factor of an equation, fx is equal to x cube plus 3
Minus 3 na ma'am.
x minus 3, so no, x cube plus 9 x plus 3 chalo, plus 3
Plus 9.
will be 9x plus 3x square. Let's say x plus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. So can I say this polynomial in standard form will be x cube plus 3x square plus 9x plus 9. यही होगा ना, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में ऐसे ही लिखते हैं ना हम. So this is the function of x. If x plus 3 is a factor, so how do we substitute the value? Substitution of value will be x plus 3 is equal to 0. Why do we do this? Why do we do this? Let's try to understand. Let's try to understand by our most comfortable equation, which is our quadratic equation. Again, let me take the quadratic equation x square plus 6a plus 9. ठीक है? x square plus 6a plus 9. अरे हाँ वही 6x plus 9. इसके फैक्टर्स क्या है? x plus 3. ये quadratic में equal to 0 होता है ना? x plus 3 यही है ना फैक्टर्स इसके?
Yes.
Equal to 0. So can I say x is equal to minus 3?
Yes.
So in this, that's the only reason. Since 3 is a factor of x, therefore x becomes minus 3 or not? X becomes minus 3 here for the same reason because 3 is a factor. अगर ऐसा कोई quadratic equation होता है x plus 2 x minus 5 is equal to 0. So what are the factors of x? Minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 and 5 are factors. What does this also mean? That इस equation में अगर x का value minus 2 में substitute करूँ तो answer will be 0. अगर 5 substitute करूँ फिर भी answer 0 होगा. So when I say x plus 3 is a factor of this given equation, that means x equals to minus 3. मतलब अगर मैं इसको function of minus 3 बना दूँ, इसका value 0 होना चाहिए. होना चाहिए कि नहीं? Try करते हैं. Minus 3 the whole cube plus 9 plus 9 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 3 the whole square. Let's see, I hope I written the equation.
Minus 27.
Minus 27 plus 9 minus
27 minus plus 27.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है मैंने. ठीक है. 9 सिर्फ क्यों लिखा मैंने? ये 27 था ना, प्लस 27 ना, ये 3 into x square था ना ये. 3x square is what? 3 into minus 3 the whole square ना.
वो लिख लिया था लास्ट.
लिख लिया था लास्ट में. हाँ.
सही है मैम, 9 ही आएगा उधर.
Correct है, 9 है. So this is not a factor ना. What will be the remainder here? 27 gone. इधर कितना बचा? Minus
18.
Minus 18 मतलब do I have a remainder?
Yes.
Remainder अगर 0 नहीं है, that means that this equation, this x plus 3 is not a factor of this polynomial.
Okay.
If there is a remainder, whatever it may be, if there is a remainder, then this value is not a factor of this polynomial.
मैम एक्सप्रेशन आपने खुद से assume
कुछ भी assume किया है. कुछ भी assume.
किया. x plus equal to 0 आपने assume किया.
नहीं, equal अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ, I have made an assumption that let it be a factor of this equation. Then if it is a factor, then always this will be equal to 0 ना, because यहाँ से मैंने आपको बताया equal to 0 होता है ना हमेशा, factor हुआ तो x का वैल्यू इधर क्या है? -2 और 5. इसका मतलब ये सॉल्व करने के बाद अगर मुझे -2 और 5 आंसर आया, that means that -2 डालूं या 5, ये पॉलिनोमियल का आंसर 0 ही आने वाला है. लेकिन यहाँ पे मैंने -3 डाल के देखा, where the function of -3 हो गया ये polynomial, that when I substituted the value I got a remainder. When I get a remainder, that means that this equation, this x plus 3 is not a factor of this equation. Understood so far? Remainder का concept समझ में आया? Remainder हमेशा 0 हुआ मतलब वो factor है.
नहीं हुआ तो नहीं.
नहीं हुआ मतलब factor नहीं है. Is that much clear? Is that clear? थोड़ा न्यूमेरिकल्स के थ्रू if we do it, it will be, I think it will be better for us to understand. Let's take it. There are many types of numericals that we will come across.
मुझे भी चाहिए मैम.
We will take up a few cases.
पकड़ एक.
सबका खाना खा ले. कभी तक आत्मा को शांति
आपने मुझे
मिलेगा.
बाहर जाने नहीं दिया. आपकी गलती
In
है.
each case, let us try to find. Let's take our first example. In each case, we will be given a polynomial and we will be given a term which may or may not be its factor. we will have to find out if that term is a factor or not. Let's start with a simple process. So the given polynomial is x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by फैक्टर जो होता है उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? 6 का फैक्टर क्या है? 2 और 3.
हाँ.
So 6 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो क्या आएगा? 3 आएगा. 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड किया तो क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. तो ये दोनों फैक्टर्स है ना 6 के. So डिवाइड करोगे उसको तो कुछ ना कुछ एक रैशनल वैल्यू आएगा मुझे. Some rational value we will be coming across. That rational value only when it is 0, that means that it is a factor. When it is not 0, we will come to that later. Okay? We have to divide this polynomial divided by x minus 1. The question is, we have to find out, the question is, we have upon वाला factor theorem में करेंगे. अभी हम लोग रिमाइंडर मेथड से कर रहे हैं. 2 मेथड है.
तो डिवाइड बाय लिखना.
एक कर से हाँ. अब क्वेश्चन ही ये है. Find the remainder when this is divided by this. What is the first step? Function of x is what? X to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This has to be assumed to be equal to 0. First we will make an assumption that it will be 0. It is a factor. So what will I say? Therefore let x minus 1 be equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1. Now what is the next step? Don't start copying. I am doing the first sum. How do you know what am I doing? So function of 1 will be what? 1 to the power 4 minus 3, 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1.
Yes.
So what will be the function of 1? 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to minus 2 plus 2. Remainder क्या आएगा बोलो? 1 आएगा ना?
1.
So what is the remainder?
Not a factor.
Not a factor बोलने को पूछा ही नहीं है. सिर्फ पूछा है what will be the remainder
The
when
remainder
this is
is
divided
1.
by this.
1.
The remainder is 1. This is my remainder theorem.
Divided by मतलब like
डिवाइड किया मतलब रिमाइंडर थ्योरम से इसको अगर डिवीजन किया. So first we will just substitute this x minus 1 is equal to 0 मतलब x का वैल्यू क्या हुआ? 1. So we go by an assumption that it is a factor. We go by an assumption that it is a factor, so we equate it to 0. So x का वैल्यू 1 है. So function of 1 क्या होगा? ये 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया x के बदले. So रिमाइंडर क्या आया? 1. Remainder 1 आया. Now let's do it by factor theorem. The same thing I will do it by factor theorem for you. Now this you have already learned, but I will teach you again because आपका previous knowledge तो माशाअल्लाह है. चलिए. This is factor theorem.
कुछ है ही नहीं.
फैक्टर थ्योरम है x minus 1. अभी ध्यान से देखो. Divided by x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. कभी किया है अलजेब्रा? बहुत इजी है ये करना. देखते हैं. There are 2 terms here. We need first term is x. We want x to the power 4. To get x to the power 4, what will I do? X to the power 4 divide by x. उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना x के साथ. That is equal to x cube. So can I say x cube से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मुझे x to the power 4 मिलेगा. But x cube को x से तो मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 1 से भी करना ही पड़ेगा. You can't leave that 1 as it is.
होल टर्म के साथ
So-
x minus 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई.
Yes. So what will I do first? First I want this term. So for that I will whatever I need to do to get the first term I will do it. X perfectly ये जाएगा कि नहीं? x और x cube मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x to the power 4
minus x cube.
minus x cube. So minus x cube यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ even though this is x square. Okay? ये आया कि नहीं मेरा multiplication? ये आया मेरा values. First one is sorted out. Now I will actually do subtract कर सकते हैं?
Yes.
Subtract कर सकते हैं? First term subtract करेंगे ये प्लस हो जाएगा कि नहीं? Okay, तो ये subtract हो गया तो ये gone. बचा क्या? प्लस वेट. सबसे पहले ये बड़ा है ये बड़ा है
x cube.
x cube. So plus x cube लिखा और ये पूरे चीज को I bring it down. How do I bring? Because this is not factorized by anything. Yet
whole thing.
this whole thing has to be brought down. Understanding what I am saying?
Yes.
This whole term has to be brought down. Minus 3x square. First I will write the remainder of this. इसका remainder क्या था? x cube था. x क्यूब लेके फिर ये पूरे चीज को पूरा का पूरा आई विल ब्रिंग इट डाउन. डन. नाउ आई वांट x क्यूब एनी हाउ. हाउ विल आई गेट x क्यूब फ्रॉम x?
X square.
x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसको प्लस x स्क्वायर ना,
हाँ.
प्लस x स्क्वायर. ठीक है, प्लस x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. x into x स्क्वायर इज x क्यूब
Yes.
minus 1 into x
Minus
square
x
is
square.
minus x square. This will remain as it is untouched. अभी इसको करते हैं. माइनस ये हो गया प्लस.
कट हो जाएगा.
सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रही हूँ. ये दोनों कट हो गए. बचा क्या? ये दोनों राइट टर्म्स हैं.
Minus 2x square.
These are right terms.
Yes.
So minus 2x square is remaining and this whole
Plus
thing has to be
2x
brought
plus
down. Plus 2x plus 1. ठीक है? Next. Now anyhow I want minus 2x square.
Minus x.
What will I multiply by?
Minus
Minus 2x into x is minus 2x square.
Yes.
Everyone is getting it so far. So minus 2x square मिल गया. Minus 1 into minus 2x is plus 2x plus 1. ठीक है?
Plus क्यों आया?
Plus 1 नहीं, sorry, plus 1 is over here.
हाँ.
ठीक है? Plus 1 उस वक्त के नीचे ला सकते हो. Some people do it by that method. No need. Now
Subtract हो जाएगा.
ये subtract तो ये plus हो जाएगा, ये minus हो जाएगा. ये भी कट गया, ये भी कट गया. बचा क्या?
One.
ये 1 को नीचे लाओ.
Remainder.
Remainder. This is what? Remainder. What is this?
Factor. नहीं, quotient.
Wait.
Or even factor. This correct. Understood? Remainder कितना
इसमें
है?
डिविडेंड और डिवाइडेड क्या?
कौन सा होता है डिविडेंड? डिविडेंड कौन होता है?
वो x to the power
ये
4
डिविडेंड
वाला.
होता ही नहीं होता है. डिवाइजर क्या होता है? ये है मेरा डिवाइजर. ये डिवाइड कर रहा है. This is my dividend. It is getting divided. वो दोनों से मिला ना मुझे? रिमाइंडर एक ही. You understood remainder theorem as well as factor theorem? This is all this chapter is about.
तो डाटा में रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट करना.
नहीं. रिमाइंडर थियरम और फैक्टर थियरम समझा के लिए इतना बता. आगे बढ़े अभी.
ये लिखना है कि नहीं?
Let's go ahead. Copy. Copy.